Gate 22, Grace, the gate of openness. A quality of behavior best suited in handling mundane and trivial situations. The potential to realize the spirit becomes a possibility to share that spirit with others. The role of the individual is incomplete without social skills. On the mental plane, through the 43rd gate, the individual has the conceptual capacity to communicate its insights to others. The task is made more difficult by its strangeness. The channel of openness provides the individual with a gift for public access. The possibility of this gate is to empower others with individual emotion. It is the quality of the emotional spirit which will condition how receptive the collective will be to the individual awareness. The knowing process requires a certain amount of social interaction to disseminate its individuality towards the goal of mutation. Grace is where the spirit of the knower is released in a wave. The sense of hearing is associated with the awareness possibility gates of the knowing circuit. The right ear, the existential ear through the 57th gate, the inner ear, the inner voice of the individual through the 43rd gate. The left ear is through grace. What you hear with your left ear, you hear in a wave. If you listen to the telephone with the left ear, you will only hear the good or bad of the hope and pain wave. The rest will come later. Line 1, second-class ticket. Exalted, the ability to accept and enjoy a subordinate position. The emotional awareness to enjoy a subordinate position. Detriment, the inevitable humiliation that comes with claiming a first-class seat with a second-class ticket, where the emotional energy challenges the awareness and can result in humiliation socially. Line 2, charm school. The belief that style can mask nature. Exalted, the ability to successfully delude oneself and others, the possibility to attract others with an emotional style. Detriment, the legalization of form over substance, where the style is energized at the expense of awareness. Line 3, the enchanter. Perfected grace. Exalted, form as a definition and actualization of substance. The possibility for perfected openness through the alignment of emotional energy and awareness. Detriment, unconscious grace, an innate openness. Line 4, sensitivity. The modification of behavior to enrich interactions. Exalted, a mediumistic simplicity that rejects elaborate rituals. The possibility of social openness through the rejection of formality. Detriment, an over-reliance on the mechanics of style that can abort potentially significant relationships. The limitation of social openness through the need for formality. Line 5, directness. The disregard of form when required. Exalted, the power inherent in high principles to successfully transgress behavioral codes. The possibility through emotional awareness to behave individualistically in social interactions. Detriment, a tendency to create embarrassing situations, and though invariably successful, the often resulting reputation for crudity and impudence. The possibility that individual behavior in social interactions will generate negative projections from others. Line 6, maturity. The alignment with experience of form with substance. Exalted, natural and evident leadership in authority. The possibility that experience in social interaction will result in a leadership capacity. Detriment, the alignment tends to express itself in nonconformist mode. The possibility that experience in social interaction will result in a nonconformist expression of openness.